Okay, good time to all of you. And at this time for me, and we have a topic at this time. Tell us about you saw a good program in my life. Okay, so actually, you know that at this time I'm studying honors. So I saw many type of program in my life, but at this time I'd like to share you. It's a very good program in my life. Actually, when I was in high school, actually my high school name is Satapara Madhyamik, Satapara Secondary School. So it was
Guys, I am busy now. Okay, bye bye.
okay. Okay, it was my school program, and for there was a there is a one person. His name is Bashir Ahmed. Actually, he is a contractor in Bangladesh, and his rank is 3. I think you got it. You understand. There are many contractor in Bangladesh, and if you search who is the ranker 3 in Bangladesh and conductor. Okay, so I think you will understand. Bashir Ahmed is a number 3 conductor in Bangladesh, and his home is Satarpara, and he learned Satarpara primary school and Satarpara secondary school. Actually, it was his village, so he came our he joined our school program. Actually, he was first invited person. I think you understand. So there was a very good program, and there was many people, many person come for see Bashir Ahmed. Okay, when we go to we went to our school. At that time was 8 a.m. So after going, he Bashir Ahmed will become 10 p.m. 10 a.m. So we are waiting for Bashir Ahmed, and we are stay in line for invite Bashir Ahmed. So there are many students. They have a follower in hand, and when he came, Bashir Ahmed actually he came with his helicopter. So when he land in a school field, that time there are many student, many person very happy for his come. After he left his helicopter. He come our school, and he come our stage. After come our stage, he share. After said, we are that time we are very very happy, because he's come. And I told you few minutes ago, he's a number 3 contact, he is a contactor number 3 in Bangladesh. So he's a very famous person in my village and in Bangladesh. I think you don't know uh, মানে তার ব্যাপারে। So he has a many construction building. He has many type of factory. When he's a come, he tell us uh, a news. uh, any people, if he get a plus, I will give him a laptop. it was a very uh, mm, chance for every student. So that time every student every student at that time was very hardworking for getting a laptop with Bashir Ahmed. So every year he gave Bashir Ahmed give a laptop which person get a plus in SSC exam. So it is a very helpful for students. It was a very chanceful uh, action for us. And uh, and uh, he give me he isn't give me he gave many things in my school. He gave a auditor room, he gave a school building, many type. So when he come, we are very happy for he come my in my school. So there are many person happy. So it was a very good program in my life, and there was many people in locality Satarpara, Katlamari, Amla. Many people come here. So that's all my story. Thank you so much.